Ever notice how AI can give you a brilliant answer one minute, then complete garbage the next? Usually, the difference is the prompt you give it. In the AI world, prompt engineering is the skill of writing better instructions for AI. A prompt is simply what you type into a tool like ChatGPT, and the clearer your instructions are, the better the output tends to be. Think of AI like a very powerful assistant. If you say, "Explain marketing," you'll probably get something vague. But if you say, "Explain digital marketing to a beginner in 5 simple points using one real-world example," the result becomes much more focused. You gave the AI context, a target audience, structure, and constraints. That's the core idea behind prompt engineering, guiding the AI toward the result you actually want. Technically, AI models generate responses by predicting text one piece at a time, often called tokens. Your prompt influences how the model interprets the request and what it generates next. Small wording changes can completely change the output. People use different techniques to improve prompts. You can give examples so the AI understands the format. You can assign a role, like act as a teacher. You can break large tasks into steps. And you can add constraints like tone, length, or output style. Now, is prompt engineering a real career? Yes, but the title is still evolving. Some companies hire dedicated prompt engineers, while others include these skills inside AI, software, product, or data roles. Salaries vary between $100,000 to $200,000, all widely depending on country, experience, and technical skills. If you want to learn it, start simple. Understand how language models work, practice structured prompting, test different AI tools, and build real projects. Combining prompt engineering with Python, APIs, automation, or industry expertise makes the skill far more valuable. Overall, prompt engineering is not about discovering a secret magic sentence. It's about learning how to communicate with AI clearly, systematically, and effectively, and turning that skill into real-world results. Like what you just saw? Subscribe to Learn with Whiteboard for more tech lessons like this one.